Okay, so you're mentally ready for moving day, but is your body? I'm Catherine, and we'll help you get ready on Moving Tip Monday. Today, I wanted to bring in an expert about health and wellness, so let me introduce you to Monique.
Hello, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm excited to be here.
Monique is the U-Haul Wellness Program Manager, and she's going to show us a few stretches and give us a little bit of information about how to get us ready for moving day. So can you show us a few of those stretches?
Absolutely. So stretching before workouts is so important to keep your body loose, to not get injured, and moving is a workout. So the first one's going to be the torso twist.
Okay.
You're just going to stand with your hands out here. You're just moving your body, and while you're moving your arms and your stomach and your core, you're also moving your legs and your knees that same direction to protect your knees. So this is getting your back warmed up, this is getting your abs warmed up, and this is getting you ready to go. So you're going to do this about 30 to 45 seconds.
All right, sounds good.
And then the next one we're going to do is called the shoulder stretch. It's pretty typical. Everyone usually knows about it. So you're just going to take one arm out and pull it through. So this is stretching your whole shoulders.
I can feel it.
Yep. So 30 to 45 seconds, and then you're going to switch to the next arm.
Very nice.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right. So the next one is going to be the tricep stretch. So you're going to bring your arm up and pull it through.
Okay. I definitely feel that
Yes.
one.
And then if you move your head side to side, it gives you a little bit of a neck stretch too.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah. And then after that, you're going to switch again 30 to 45 seconds.
Okay.
All right. So then we're going to do the quads. Quads, no one needs to pull quad, right?
No,
so
absolutely.
we're just going to come up and hold it. You need help, get by a wall, hold it. Sometimes people say touch your nose. You can get funky with it.
I've always known just find a point and stare at it.
Yep, there
That's
you go.
mine.
There you go. All right, after that, you're going to switch and do the next leg.
All right.
If you want a little bit more, you can bend down, try to reach, but
Yeah.
gotta go your level.
Yeah, well, I definitely feel all stretched out. What are some other tips that you can give us to get ready for moving day?
So the most important thing for moving day, everyone moves at different times, but typically a really busy time is the summer, right? So no matter what, every day your goal should be to drink half your body weight in ounces. That's the U-Haul nutritional philosophy, is we want to drink half your body weight in ounces a day.
Wow.
So that's any day, and especially moving, because you have to remember moving is a workout.
That sounds absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much for being here today,
Yeah, of
Monique. I
course.
appreciate it.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's recap. First, remember to stretch. Next, keep hydrated early and often. Two more things to definitely keep in mind are to eat a good meal before your move. Also, make sure you're wearing good clothing that you can move around in, and good shoes. No sandals, really good tennis shoes. And if you're looking for more moving tips, you can always check out our blog, movinginsider.com. Also, make sure you're staying connected with us on social media. Then we'll see you again next time on Moving Tip Monday.